welcome back to my channel. It's your girl OBK. Today I am gonna be doing another hair tutorial. I'm gonna be doing this cute little bobby ponytail. It's very easy, quick. Just need one bundle of any type of hair that you want to use and get started. Please like this video, also comment down below, and last but not least, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Not waste any more of your time, and let's get started with the tutorial. Hope you guys enjoy this one. So I'm going to start with oiling my hair. So now that we've parted the hair, I'm gonna tie this up into a ponytail. Your hair into a ponytail. If you can't braid your own hair, you can extend with a braid. So you just I'm using this soften freestyling gel. Going to use just one bundle of this hair, but you can use any extensions, straight, curly, kinky, whatever, but I'm gonna be using this bodywave. I'm gonna just attach this to my ponytail, so I'm gonna pin through the hair like that to hold it at the end, and then I'm going to take the same bobby pin as put it in my hair. Make sure it's secure. Combing. Here we go. My hair, oh my gosh, it's so cute. I love it. Anyway, I'm gonna touch up my face a little bit and then I'll come back to show show you guys the final look. So I just did my face and I wanted to show you guys the final look. Yeah, oh my gosh, this is so cute. I love it. I love it. I love it. Nah, I nailed this look. I nailed it. 10 out of 10, sis. My Barbie ponytail laid and slayed. So yeah, give this video a thumbs up. Also comment down below, and yeah, last but not least guys, please subscribe to my channel, and I really hope you enjoyed this video. And yeah, thank you guys so much. Love and light to you all.